Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing a deep dive into Apple stock. First, let's look at the current news and events. Recent headlines suggest a surge in Apple's AI features is generating excitement among investors, while some analysts express concerns about an elongated iPhone upgrade cycle. There's a lot of discussion about Apple's AI integration and its potential impact on future growth. One analyst has issued a buy rating with a $240 price target. Now, let's transition to the daily chart to examine the price action in more detail. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a recent upward trend that started in mid-November, reaching a high of around $246.49 on December 11th. A small drop follows this high. Notice the increase in volume during periods of significant price movements, suggesting substantial buying and selling pressure. Zooming in on the last week's daily candles shows considerable volatility. Notice the strong bullish candle on December 9th, which pushed the price near the high of the most recent rally. The subsequent candles depict a degree of profit-taking and consolidation as the price slightly retraced. The final candle indicates a slight upward movement again. This suggests the bullish momentum is possibly continuing. But we need to observe further before any conclusions. Let's shift our focus to the 1-hour chart to gain a finer-grained perspective on the recent price fluctuations. The hourly chart displays more frequent fluctuations, showing the short-term trends with more clarity than the daily chart, allowing us to observe the short-term support and resistance levels more clearly. We can see how the short-term price action relates to the larger, longer-term trends visible on the daily chart. Examining the 15-minute chart gives us an even more granular view of AAPL's price movement and volatility during the last few hours. Here, we can see that the frequent price swings may be more indicative of short-term trading, possibly reflecting intraday trading activities. These rapid fluctuations are hard to use for long-term strategies. But understanding short-term trends may be helpful for short-term strategies. Looking back at the daily chart, we can identify key support levels near $240. This is the area where previous rallies failed to break out, which suggests strong support. There's also resistance around $250, which is close to the recent high. A significant break above that resistance would be a very bullish sign. However, this is only short-term analysis. Considering the long-term trends, we need to analyze the past few months of daily candles for larger trends. In summary, Apple shows a short-term bullish trend, but the volatility suggests caution. The $240 support and $250 resistance levels are crucial to watch. A break above $250 would significantly strengthen the bullish case in the short term. However, a decisive break below $240 may signal the end of the most recent rally, requiring a wait-and-see approach. Keep an eye on news regarding iPhone 16 demand and upcoming AI features, as these events will strongly influence short-term price movements. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any trading decisions.